In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use an American Express gift card on Roblox. We'll walk through the exact process from registration to checkout, and I'll share a few practical tips to help you avoid common errors. By the end, you'll know how to pay on Roblox using your American Express gift card with confidence. Start by visiting the official American Express gift card website and registering your card. During registration, add a billing address to the card. This step is essential because Roblox checks the address you provide at checkout against what's on file with the card. While you're there, take a moment to view your current balance and make note of the zip code you used. If your card isn't registered with an address, payments on many websites will fail, so don't skip this. Next, open the Roblox website and log into your account. Make sure you're signed in to the exact account where you want the purchase to apply. Then, head to the Robux purchase page or open the specific item you want to buy. Keep your available balance in mind as you choose an amount. Remember that taxes or fees can push the total slightly higher, so leave a small cushion. At checkout, select credit card as your payment method. Even though this is a gift card, Roblox processes it the same way as a regular credit card. After that, enter your American Express gift card details, the full card number, expiration date, and the security code on the back. If you see a name field, you can enter your own name, but what really matters is the address verification. Make sure the billing address you enter matches exactly what you registered on the gift card website, including the street, city, state, and especially the zip code. Small differences, like an apartment number or a missing directional, can cause a decline. If you recently registered the address, give it a moment to update before retrying. Once everything looks correct, confirm the payment. Your purchase will be processed, and you should see the Robux or item appear shortly. If you get a decline, double-check the balance and the address match, then try again. Quick tips before we wrap up. Ensure your gift card has enough balance to cover the full amount, including tax, because split payments usually aren't supported. And if it still doesn't go through, try using the American Express gift card to buy a Roblox gift card instead, then redeem that on your account. And that's it. That's how you can use an American Express gift card on Roblox.